buddies. So I hope everyone is fine. And today we will learn about calculating the atomic weights of 1 to 30 elements. So here we generally learn all the elements, but we find it very difficult to remember the atomic weights of that elements. But by learning so simple tricks, you can remember and you can calculate the atomic weight accurately. So here today first we will learn about 1 to 20 elements. Then from 21 to 30 elements, let us learn. So here from 1 to 20 elements, we will be having odd numbers and even numbers. Generally all the numbers have odd and even numbers. So here odd numbers have different formula and even numbers have different formula. Okay, so first let us see for even numbers. So even numbers formula is 2n. So 2n, what is n then? So n is the atomic number of the element. So what you have to do, you have to just multiply the atomic number of the element with 2. So let us take helium. So helium is the second element. So the atomic number of the helium is 2. So how to find out the atomic weight then? So by applying this simple formula, that is 2 into 2. So it is 4. So the atomic weight of the helium is 4. And next oxygen. So oxygen atomic number is 8. Okay. So here what you have to do? Apply the same formula, that is 2n. So it becomes 2 into 8. So 2 into 8 it is equal to 16. So 16 is the atomic weight of the oxygen. And if we take magnesium. So magnesium atomic number is 12. So atomic number 12. So the same formula again. So 2 into 12. So what is the atomic weight then? It is 24. So very simple, no? So by calculating like this from 1 to, it is only restricted from only 1 to 20 elements. So remember that. So all the even numbers will, you have to just multiply it by 2 and then you will be getting the atomic weight. But they have some exceptional elements. So that exceptional element is beryllium, Be. Okay. So whose atomic number is 4. And if you apply the same formula, what you will get? 2 into 4, it is 8. But actually the beryllium atomic weight is not 8, it is 9. Okay. Understood? So there are like this, some exceptional elements will be there. So I hope everyone have understood the even number atomic weights. Next, coming to the odd numbers. So in the odd numbers, how to calculate it then? So again a simple formula, that is 2n plus 1. Okay. So here n again is the same thing, that is atomic number of the element. So first we have to multiply the atomic number with the 2 and add that value plus 1. So let me take one example, that is lithium. So lithium atomic number is 3. Okay, so apply the same formula. Then what do you get? 2 into 3 plus 1. So how much it is equal to? It is equal to 7. So 2 into 3 is 6 and 6 plus 1 is 7. So 7 is the atomic weight of the lithium. And if you take sodium. So sodium atomic number is 11. Okay. So 11 into 2. So here 2n, no? So 11 into 2 plus 1. So how much the value is? 11 into 2 is 22 plus 1 is 23. Understood? So this is the formula for the odd numbers. So 2n plus 1 for odd and 2n for the even numbers. And we have some exceptional elements in odd numbers also. So those are hydrogen, nitrogen and chlorine. So these are the 3 elements which are exceptional in the odd numbers. So hydrogen atomic number is 1 and atomic weight is also 1. Okay. And here nitrogen's atomic weight is 7 and atomic number is 7, and according to this, if we calculate in this way, then atomic weight it should be 15. But actually it is not 15, it is 14. The atomic weight is 14. And for chlorine, it has some decimal atomic weight. So actually the atomic number of the chlorine is 17 and atomic weight is 35.5. So understood? And one more thing I forgot to say. So in even number we have another element which has some exceptional. So that is argon. So argon, so whose atomic number is 18. So if you calculate in this way, you have to get 36. But actually the argon atomic weight is 40. So understood? So within 1 to 20 elements, we have 5 exceptional elements. That is beryllium, argon, hydrogen, nitrogen and chlorine. So I don't know, I will be saying a simple trick to remember that 5 exceptional elements. So for that you need to remember one simple dialogue. So what is a dialogue? Handsome are clever and beautiful. So this is very simple dialogue. And then how to remember that 5 elements? So in handsome, H, that is hydrogen, R, Ar, that is argon, and clever, Cl, that is chlorine, and in and N, that is nitrogen, and in beautiful, Be. So these are the 5 exceptional elements. So remember, so for even numbers it is 2n, means you have to double the atomic number, and for the odd numbers it is 2n plus 1. So that is you have to double the atomic number and add by 1. So within 1 to 20 elements we have 5 exceptional elements. Then what are the atomic weights? I will be giving it to you clearly. So hydrogen atomic number is 1 and atomic weight is also 1. And argon atomic weight is 18. Sorry, atomic number is 18 and atomic weight is 40. And chlorine atomic number is 17 and atomic weight is 35.5. And nitrogen atomic number is 7 and atomic weight is 14. And beryllium atomic number is 4 and atomic weight is 9. So these are the 5 exceptional elements and regarding their atomic weights. Now we will learn about 21 to 30 elements. That is very simple trick. So as I told, for 21 to 30 elements it is very simple technique. You just need to remember one simple phone number, a 10 digits number. So what is that number? 345454535. So if you remember that simple phone number, then you can calculate the atomic weights of 21 to 30 elements. Then how to use them? Let us see. So first what you have to do is, you have to multiply the atomic number by 2 and add these numbers according to their numerical order. So let me say you clearly. So here 3 will be added to the 21st element and 4 will be added to the 22nd element and 5 to the 23rd, 4 again to the 24th element. So like that, according to the numerical order, these numbers have to be added. So let me give you some examples. So scandium is 21st element. So first what we have to do? We have to double it with the 2 now. So 21 into 2. Again you have to add plus 3. So why 3? Because it is a 21st element. So what do you get the answer? 21 into 2, it is 42 plus 3, it is 45. So scandium atomic weight is 45. Again titanium. So titanium atomic weight is 22. So 22 into 2 plus how much? 4. So how much you get the answer? 44 plus 4, it is 46. Again iron. So iron atomic number is 26. So it is a 6th element. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here 4 should be added to it. So 26 into 2, that is 52 plus 4. So 52 plus 4, it is 56. Again copper. So copper atomic number is 29. So 29 into 2 plus 5 because that is the ninth element, no? So here plus 5. 29 into 2 is 58. 58 plus 5 is 63. Okay. And zinc, that is a 30. So it is the last in the 21 to 30 elements. So the last digit has to be added here. So 30 into 2 is 60. So 60 plus 5 is equal to 65. So isn't it very easy? So yeah, just one thing you have to do is just remember this phone number. And before that we have to multiply the atomic number with the 2 and add according to their numerical order. So I hope everyone have understood from 1 to 30 elements how to calculate the atomic weights. So I have given only few examples. Other all the elements you can write it on your own and you can have a clarity and you can check it out in the net also. You will be getting the accurate answer. And one more thing I want to say that in the internet you will be getting the decimal atomic weights. But while calculation we don't use the decimal atomic weights. We use the whole numbers. So that's why you follow this type of calculation, then you will be getting the whole numbers. But there are few exceptional elements which has to be taken in the decimal such as chlorine. So only one element in 1 to 30. Other all are having whole numbers. So I hope everyone have understood and it is clear for everyone. So if you have any doubt, please comment in my comment section and keep observing and keep learning. Thank you.